Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeff. This is Will to Live Outdoors, and today we're going to discuss Velcro and why Velcro may not be the best option for your straps on your rooftop tent. I was having a problem, and you can see where the zip ties had to go on. The Velcro would let go, and they wouldn't stay tight. They kept coming loose. I would have to use tape or zip ties or some other something to keep pressure on it to keep them from opening up. These have a metal D-ring. That metal D-ring will blow around in the wind, can mess up your paint. So you want to make sure that you have a good, solid, secure connection. I got these ResiTent straps, which are currently installed. And you may be asking, well, what makes that different? Right here. Boom. As simple as that. So you just throw the strap over, buckle it. That's not going anywhere. You don't have to worry about the Velcro getting weak in time. Got to worry about sap, UV rays, different things like that. It'll degrade. It doesn't want to work. That is a really, really thick material and a really good buckle. And it does have some adjustability. So what you want to do is you want to bounce on over to www.overlandexpeditionspecialist.com, and you will need to be armed with a little bit of information. You're going to need to know how long your straps are currently. You're going to measure from where the little screws are on the bottom. You're going to go over and then measure to where it corresponds to the other side. And you're going to get your measurement. This is a 56-inch wide Ironman 4x4 tent, and this one has two weather cover straps. So you're going to order them in pairs. This needed to be 72 inches, so that's what we ordered. You put it in. It's going to want you to give that information a couple of times just to ensure that we are getting the correct length. And like I said, you get it in, and we'll go over the installation process here in a minute. While I was at it, I went ahead and ordered the internal straps that actually hold the mattress down. I went with a wider strap in that case on this time, so just upgraded. That's went on super easy as well. To get the free shipping, I went ahead and ordered this super cool Molly panel bag to go on my Molly panels. And when it came in a couple of days later, I got this cool shirt, Old School Zone, Overland Expedition Specialist. Again, their hashtag is no more Velcro. Get on the internet, order you some today, go ahead and upgrade yours. Stick around, this is gonna be pretty quick. We're just gonna go through the process of installing those and just show you how easy it is. First things first, I had to release these, make them loose, so I can scoot it from one side to the other. Anyway, it's held in with these three little screws. I'm not sure if you can see that there or not, and it's on each side. So first things first, I've got to be able to get to it. Just released it. I'm gonna move it over and proceed to do that at this point right now.
What is that?
All right, let's see, right there, there. And that's what you're taking off. All right, per instructions, you're gonna wanna make sure you've got the right length, holding one side in just to keep some pressure on it. And come around to this side. You wanna make sure that your buckle falls just about right here, according to the pictures on our website. So then when you go to doing your last bit, I'll let a little bit out. That way if I missed it by a little, I could at least adjust it back in to give it the correct tightness, because I only want to go through here one time. All right, and now being satisfied with where I have it, still with about probably an inch of adjustment. I'm going to go ahead and put the other 2 screws. I'm going to go ahead and do those now. All right, before we wrap this up, went ahead and tightened everything back up, partially unzipped the weather cover here, and I'm just going to go ahead while I'm at it and change these over to the buckled ones as well. I went with the wider ones. So how I plan on doing this is kind of a fixed mosquito getting me there. This has a fixed point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the middle one first, and they're all going to have it through the webbing, but it won't hurt anything. A special note here that the short end goes to the top. Anyway, all right, we're going to wrap this up real quick, and I'm going to go to bed because it's late. All right, I'm done. It's really not that hard of a task. I did run into one little issue though. When I took this bolt out, it had been, I guess whenever they were putting it together on the assembly line, they had it pre-tapped, but they drilled the hole into the spot that wasn't. So it's just entirely too, I guess, misaligned, and it re-drilled the hole. So it won't really grab really good, but I did get it in there kind of tight. But on their end, they fouled that up. And so if I keep trying to screw it in there, it's just going to end up getting to the point where I'd never be able to remove it without like cutting it out. So I didn't really want to do that. But nice and tight. Did the other side as well. And put this cover back on. And that's it for tonight. Give them a chance here. If you've got a Velcro, they call that, I guess, a billow strap for your weather cover. And then these actually hold it down on the spot that's closest to your mattress on the inside underneath the weather cover. But if those are Velcro and you're wanting to get something a little bit more secure, get tired of them coming loose all the time, having to use zip ties like I did, please give these guys a shout. So anyway, we're gonna put the cover back on. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have not subscribed yet, please do. Give us a like, give us a comment if you got any questions about this or anything else. Do not hesitate to ask me a question. So remember, I'm Jeff, and this is Will to Live Outdoors.